Hi everyone, our project is Sway and we are building smart analytics for construction sites. Our team is Donovan Liao, Isaac Nolan, and myself, Om Patel. So the problem at hand is that falls are accounting for 35% of all construction related deaths, imposing not just emotional tolls, but also significant financial burdens on the organizations as well. As you can see from this graphic, 32% of all serious incidents in 2022 were from construction, and 22% were all other industries. So it's a very big problem in construction. So this can have an impact on organizations, causing work stoppages, project costs, as well as damaging company reputation. Employees also face higher insurance premiums, employers, legal liabilities, as well as potential regulatory fines. Basically, having no context behind a fall can impose a lot of risk on an employer in case an employee sues, and vice versa as well. So we're introducing an intelligent system that detects falls in real times using smart lamps and smart devices installed across the construction site. If somebody falls, immediate alerts are sent to supervisors and emergency services, ensuring rapid response as well as aid, getting them the help that they need as fast. Cost reduction, especially for regulatory and legal liabilities. And lastly, collecting data from data insights with our platform. Constructions employers will be able to identify high risk areas and also put preventive measures. So we see this scaling beyond construction as well. Basically other urban spaces such as shopping centers, airports, public venues, anywhere where safety might be an issue, including healthcare. Um, so that we can get people the help that they need as soon as possible, as soon as there is a safety incident that needs to be detected. So this is our demo. We're gonna present this now.
So Isaac is going to go into the living room and he's going to fall. And then this lamp is going to detect his fall. And I will also be getting a call.
So we built an application which will send me a text anytime somebody's fallen over. So he's fallen. There's a fall detector in Donovan's living room. And this is going to mirror when a construction worker falls over and we get automatic calls.
Yeah.
Like Donovan's.
Yeah.
Except.
Oh.
An application error has occurred. Goodbye.
That's okay. Well, you get the
Anyways,
idea.
Yeah. And then this will go over to our dashboard, which will show the exact wireframe when somebody's fallen, as well as the falls in the past month. So we built this on Bubble, and we configured the APIs to connect to that lamp over there, which does detection through video as well as infrared for
You
nighttime.
can get up now.
Oh, okay.